Boys and girls, moms and dads, children of all ages, Todd Vandermeer back here for another edition of Freedom Steel. Um, we'll get to what happened last week. But breaking news: Judge McGlynn in the Southern District of the state of Illinois has issued a statewide injunction against the Illinois gun ban signed by Governor Pritzker. Yes, this thing has come down. It came down at about 1:45 this afternoon. It is now 6 o'clock. I have spent, and there goes my phone again with another comment about what's going on. I have been on the phone with our lawyers and with principals of the lawsuit and everything else. And so it looks like Judge McGlynn has issued an injunction against the enforcement of Section 1.9 and 1.10, the gun ban and the magazine ban, and the criminal penalties associated with it. It may go farther than that, but right now we know that for certain. Everybody says, what can I do now? It appears, waiting on counsel, that gun dealers could now begin selling those guns again. We have anecdotal reports of things from within state government, but they are all hearsay, and they are nothing that we can rely upon at this point. But Judge McGlynn refuted the state's case in chief, point by point. And so this video is not intended to be something that is a catch-all, because we're going to have to dive through this, wade through this. There are all kinds of nuances that we have seen as we read this 29-page decision. So here's what we know. We anticipate the state asking for a stay of the injunction. Note, Judge McGlynn did not issue a stay pending appeal. The injunction is in force as of today. So we have Freedom Weekend for the time being. We anticipate the state will ask for a stay, if not by close of business today, by first thing Monday morning. They will be working through the weekend. And they will be doing everything they can to shut down your freedom and clamp down on your Second Amendment rights. So we have that. We will do something more detailed going through point by point. And you know what? I'm going to do my first live broadcast tonight. Tonight at 8 p.m. Central Time, I will attempt a live broadcast here to answer questions and talk to everybody. So with that, it has been a long afternoon. I was out of Bulldozer. I was working at the club. We were working on parking lots and some of that other stuff and fixing stuff up at the club. And this ruling came down. I happened to be standing next to a couple of guys at the club, told them about it, fist bump, started going through my phone list to tell all the plaintiffs and everybody about that. And then it's like I went to the pub to go try to read this, and I still haven't been able to get, my phone has just blown up between lawyers' calls, Zoom calls, and everything else. So we'll do something live a little later today, 8 o'clock Central Time. But for everybody, hoist the glass. JB, Don Harmon, see you in court. You didn't show up, and we kicked your fucking ass. This is a rock solid decision. So with that, guys, Frag out.